Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains Out, and today we're at Retford on the East Coast Main Line. Saving services My Virgin Trains East Coast, Grand Central, First Haul Trains, Northern Rail and various freight as well.
Smile.
And it's all very surreal being back here like a year and a few months after my last visit, but let's see what shall turn up. Just about to come through Retford, 1 Echo 11 to Edinburgh.
Aberdeen to King's Cross.
Aberdeen, Kingsland. I can hear it, but I can't see it.
You're supposed to.
I swear that's another train enthusiast up there. 43, 310! And 43, 317! Off to Edinburgh. Here's a blue cab pacer bus. Do a pacer bus. Do a pacer bus. Do a pacer bus. 142064. A pacer bus. 84. 142084. 142084. You're delayed 1324. Northern service to Lincoln Central.
It's now 34.
From Scunthorpe. 1 Delta 13 off of Leeds. Okay, King's Cross Leeds. It's another Hust. There's too many Husts. 43, 319. And 43, 316.
18 and 16, that was this morning.
Okay, 18, 16 to Leeds. Here's 1 Alpha 31 to London King's Cross. And 91, 109, Bobby Robson. Wait, what was that, 109? Oh, Bobby Robson.
That's what I said.
Here's the Biggleswade Plasma, Biggleswade Eck. And it's 66, 199. 66, 199 to heck. Shortest freight train ever. Here comes
King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley.
King's Cross Edinburgh train. I think this is the fast version. Probably not. 91 121. Oh, double amber. And 82 206. That driver is either stopping for a
That was stopping for Babworth crossing.
or Newark.
Newark? Babworth's up that way.
Here goes your 1402 Northern service to Sheffield, 142042. Cheers. Cheers. See you on YouTube. 142042 to Sheffield. With an that was a good driver right there. Dot Matrix Pacer Bus to Sheffield. We just missed Battle of Britain, 91 110 and 82 220 off to Edinburgh. But here comes the Grand Central.
5.
43 467 and 484 to Sunderland. No, King's Cross.
That one.
From Sunderland.